Jo Mackenzie here, your watercolor coach. I'm here with some value dabs, and from these value dabs, I'm going to make the painting of a yellow pear. Now, the lightest value dabs are on the top, and they're a variety of yellows. If I hold them closer, you'll see a variety of yellows. And through the value finder, they all read as being very, very light. Well, once I plug in my light values, the next thing I have to do is find my medium values. And as you can see through the value finder, those are my medium values. The place where it gets confusing is if you have a color like red. Looking through the value finder, see how neutralized it is? It's really, really, really a very high key. Ooh, that's why I find the value finder very helpful. And finally, my darkest values are at the very bottom, and you can see through the value finder. Okay, I'll slowly move the value finder up, and you should see those values changing from darker to lighter all the way up. So, now that you've seen the value dabs, I have a new concept that I'm going to kind of glom onto. I'm calling it mask for value, mix for color. Mask for value, mix for color. So I mask for value, I mask my lightest lights, and then I mix the colors, these light color dabs, and I plug them into that mask, into that shape. The next thing I do is I mask for value, I find my medium tones, value shapes, and mix for color. I put my medium colors in. And again, mask for value, my darks, and plug in my dark value dabs for that. Here are my dark value dabs. So that's my tip for the day, and a new concept to remember: mask for value, mix for color, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and remember to join my YouTube channel here. I think it's above my head. And come see me at jomackenzie.com. All right, bye-bye.